So I like creating reels for Instagram. Short form video content is all the rage right now, but there are certain times when I want to be able to use my own audio, whether that be sound effects or actual music, for the reel. And I know I'm not going to get any views because it has to be a trending audio on Instagram or TikTok to really rake in the views and the followers and all that. So I have a reel here that I showed you in the beginning of the video, and I have my own sound that I chose from Epidemic Sounds, which is not the sponsor of this video because we don't have 1,000 followers yet. So maybe consider liking and subscribing. Anyways, I have a reel here with music from Epidemic Sounds, and I have cracked this case on how to use my own music, but also use trending audio on Instagram. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's super simple. All right, so we're going to open up Instagram. Here we are. Follow me at VetTViews. Now we're going to hit the plus up here, and notice how reel is now the first option. It's not post anymore. It's reel, just to kind of show you what their priorities are. So we're gonna go to reel, and I'm gonna go down here. Now I already have my reel that I made right here. We're gonna hit add. Now we're gonna go to audio, and I'm gonna go to saved. Now this original audio, this first one up here, is a trending audio that I found on Instagram, and I'll show you how you can tell what trending audio is closer to the end of this video. So we're gonna go and we're gonna choose that one, and then we're gonna hit done, and then we're gonna hit next. So now effectively what I have is I have this trending audio playing over my reel, which I don't necessarily want because I want my music to be what plays because it matches up so perfectly. So we're going to hit the audio button right here, and we're just gonna turn down the trending audio to 1 and turn up the camera audio to 100. So now I have my cake and I can eat it too. I have my own audio and I have a trending audio on Instagram. So this is going to be pushed out as a trending sound, which is great, but also I have my own audio, which is the way that I want it to be shown and expressed as a creative. How you can tell something is trending audio. So if we go to our reels here, and we look down here in the bottom left, you can see that there is an arrow pointing diagonally up. That means that that audio is trending. If you want to save that audio, you can tap on it and then hit saved, and it will save the audio. So there you go. That's how you save your trending audio, so that way you can have the best audio and the best exposure for all of your content. So that's all I have. Super quick, easy, to the point. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.